Glossy white teeth are the secret of a beautiful smile and are an indication of good health and personal hygiene. Both men and women want to have a white and attractive smile. But there is a dental problem that causes them embarrassment when talking and dealing with others and makes them try to hide their smile. It is yellowing of the teeth, and people may think that the daily cleaning of the toothpaste is sufficient to prevent the yellowing of the teeth. But before that, they must know the reasons for the yellowing of the teeth and then treat them in different ways, in order to ensure that they get white teeth and an attractive smile. Causes of yellowing of the teeth. Yellowing of the teeth has multiple causes. The first being the genetic factor, and the genetic predisposition to the yellowing of teeth. There is no doubt that smoking and chewing tobacco, a major reason for yellowing teeth because it contains substances that cause dark spots on the teeth. Lack of interest in brushing teeth well after eating food and drinks, especially foods with natural colors such as carrots, beets, and dark caffeine-rich drinks, such as coffee. There are some types of medications that affect the color of your teeth, such as blood pressure medications. The use of dental fillings, especially the silver filling, caused the deposition of some materials used in that filling over time on the enamel layer, which causes the teeth to change color to yellow. Increase the percentage of fluoride to which the teeth are exposed, which is found in most types of toothpaste. As for the treatment and prevention of yellowing of the teeth, there are many methods, accessible to all and can be prepared from materials available at home and from perfumery stores. A mixture can be made in equal proportions of chowder, rosemary leaves, and mixed with honey and then massage the teeth in place of yellowing. Clove oil can be used, it helps effectively to whiten teeth, and contributes to getting rid of the gum and dental pain. Yellow teeth and gums are rubbed well with clove oil, leave for 5 minutes, and then wash the mouth with water. An effective and proven tooth whitening recipe. 1. 3 tablespoons of fresh sage leaves sold to perfumers. 2 tablespoons of table salt. 3. 1 tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate. 4. 1 teaspoon of cloves. 5. Leaves, salt, sodium bicarbonate, and cloves are placed in a bowl, then knocked until they become a homogeneous dough. 6. Put the dough in a warm oven until it becomes solid. My choice. 7. Crush again until it becomes a powder and store this powder in an optional container. For good dental care, the mixture is used as dough or powder every morning, as it works to remove the yellowing of the teeth and stains left by them, as it scents the mouth. Note, after using it the first time, you will feel the air passing through all of your teeth as if you were washing your teeth for the first time. We wish good health and longevity. Wait for us with a new recipe every day. Thank you and goodbye.